Pause for 30 seconds and ask yourself this one question. If I remove my job titles, if I remove my roles and everything people congratulate me for, then what's left? Don't try to answer it. Just sit with the question. Whatever shows up, that is the beginning. That is you, meeting the part of yourself no achievement could ever reach. The emptiness doesn't mean you need more. It means you have been building outward your whole life. And the answer was always inward. Not more achievements, more presence. Close your eyes if you can. Soften your gaze. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Now think of everything you have built, and just for a moment, set all of it down. Without your job title, without your role, what's left? Don't answer with your mind, just feel it. There's something here, something quiet, something that was here before you achieved anything. And it's still here, now. Before you had a name, you were already here. Before the first grade, before the first job, before anyone told you what you were supposed to become. There was something watching, breathing, simply here. You have carried so much for so long. The titles, the stories, the version of you that other people needed you to be. What if you set it down? Not forever, just for now. The river doesn't strain to flow. The sky doesn't work to be vast. The fire doesn't try to be warm. They simply are. And so are you. Beneath everything you have built, beneath everything you have lost, beneath every version of yourself you have had to become. There is something that was never wounded, never incomplete, never waiting for the next thing,
is quiet. This is the only place it has ever been, and it has been waiting very patiently for you to stop and notice. You are already home.